Are you in the market to buy a new home? There are a lot of factors to consider before making such a big decision. But there are three things that you should always keep in mind. First, location, location, location. Not only can a good location ensure better resale value and rental income in the future, but it can also have a huge impact on your daily life. Consider factors such as proximity to the schools, workplaces, public transportation, shopping centers, recreational facilities when choosing a great location. Secondly, the condition of the property is just as important as the location. Make sure to have a professional inspection done to evaluate the condition of the property. This will help you identify any issues such as structural problems, mold, water damage that may need repairs before purchasing the property. Finally, number three, affordability is a crucial factor to consider. Determine how much you can afford to spend on a property and stick to your budget. Consider the overall cost of owning a property, including the mortgage payment, property taxes, and maintenance costs. It's always advisable to work with a real estate agent like myself to help you find a property that fits your budget and meets your needs. So remember these three things when buying a home: location, condition, and affordability. With these in mind, you'll be well on your way to finding your dream home. If you're looking to buy a home this year, I'm here to help. Until next time, peace.